What is PhD literature review? Now, when you write your dissertation or PhD in your third year, the first thing that you come across is your literature review. If you do not have idea how to start it, what should be the length, how to finish it, what is in it, then this is all a difficult thing at the last moment, because many times we don't care about literature review from the first year onwards. We think that, okay, during the time of writing thesis, let me go through. This is at time confusing all of a sudden when you want to write literature review. So now I will discuss with you, I will tell you clearly what is exactly PhD literature review in your thesis or dissertation. In my simple definition, literature review is nothing but reviewing what has already been done by other scholars in your research area. This is as simple as that. Okay. So what you are doing in PhD literature review is you will review or you will analyze, you will write summaries of the work which was already carried out by other PhD scholars or anyone. So what you are doing here exactly in PhD review is you will take some 100 journal papers or some YouTube videos or Wikipedia or magazines or any form of content which have been done in your area. See, there must be connection to your PhD research topic. This is what some people do a great mistake. They collect all other journals. Of course, it is in their area, but it is your topic must be very much conveying in some or other way in that journal. Your PhD research topic must be there conveying in some or other way. So that's why what you have to do is when you write PhD literature review, always keep in mind your PhD topic. And that connection must be there, the journal and your topic. So collect some 100 journal papers and write down summaries. Summaries, I don't mean a professional summaries, but you have to analytically link that journal to your PhD topic and what the work has been done here. This is what PhD literature review. Now, why PhD literature review is important in your thesis? Why it is introduced? The reason is you are showing that somebody has done some work on your topic and now you are comparing that work to your topic and you are showing your work in comparison to that old work already done. So you will prove that your work is new and nobody has done such work in the past. This is why you are reviewing the literature and showing to the reader of the thesis or dissertation that your work is unique and new, which was not done in the past, and you are showing all the work what has been done on that particular topic in the past, so that the reader gets idea that your work is something unique and new. This is why we do PhD literature review. The second one, where to include in thesis. This is a controversial topic. Usually PhD literature review is done in the beginning of the thesis as chapter, maybe before starting your chapterization. It starts already, and by the end of chapter 1 you will finish your PhD literature review. In some areas they want to do it at the end, but right now it is this way. Okay. And the other one is, what is the length of PhD literature review? The PhD literature review, the length is, there are 2 surveys conducted, how people are writing dissertations for the past 20 to 25 years. And here is the first survey's result. PhD literature review is on an average 12,000 words. And there is second survey which tells that 25% of the whole thesis must be literature review, which means 75% should be your research, and 25% must be the literature review. Whatever the survey may be, I recommend personally at least have 10,000 words of literature review, analyzing each journal paper up to 300 to 350 words, and at least summarize 50 journals in 300 to 350 words. That's quite enough. Okay, then PhD literature review is something that you need to work from the beginning onwards. It's not easy that in the third year suddenly you start writing thesis, and literature review is a great task there. Your work is already there. You might have published some papers by then, and your work is already there. But literature review, first you have to do it from first year onwards, second year, third year. And mostly it happens with secondary sources. So good luck in your PhD literature review, and try to start today writing your literature review. If you are doing your PhD first year or second year or third year, this is the time to start and finish fast. It will take some time, but be patient. Daily write one summary for one journal, and that's it. 50 days, 50 summaries you will have. It is as easy. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, and best of luck to you.